Hello everybody, we got some positive news in the crazy world. As of June 1st, we have some people that have actually been promoted in all this craziness. Are they working outside in the craziness? Heck no. Who wants to go outside when you can make money from home? And they're doing it with the hottest home-based business group on the planet, and that group is the Phantom Group. And they're taking an opportunity that has given them a chance to get crazy paid in a crazy world, and they don't have to deal with any other crazy people. Why? Because we are laptop warriors, and we are working from our phone and working from our home and earning some money. Man, our mind is gone. So without any further ado, let's announce all the individuals who have gotten promoted in this crazy world and are making a big difference in people's lives by bringing them some value. Without any further ado, here are all the promotions that just recently happened inside their home.
Here are our recent promotions for the Phantom Group. We have Crystal Ann Ellenberg promoted to Regional Sales Director. We have Mrs. Beverly Madsen promoted to Regional Sales Director. And we have Mr. Tom Bales, who got promoted to Regional Sales Director in just 5 minutes. Phenomenal. Then we have Ms. Lori Christensen, who has just got promoted to Senior Regional Sales Director. And then we also have Mr. Preston Brown, who not only got promoted to National Sales Director, but just hit Diamond a few short hours ago. So we got a $1,000 bonus on top of his promotional bonus. So way to go, everyone. And again, we look forward to seeing more promotions. And if you want to be a part of this fun that's going on and all this amazing things we have going on and walking to the bank with us, then we invite you to become a part of the Phantom Group. Again, contact any individual who is on our team and we'll show you how to get started. With that said, hopefully you guys have an amazing Monday and we'll see you at the bank.